Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 10th and the subject is maths, and the chapter, as you all know, that we are proceeding the chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is polynomial. Today we will see how to divide a given polynomial by another given polynomial and what we can conclude from that division. So we will take one example in which two polynomials are given. One is the px and p of x is x cube minus 3x square and then plus 5x minus 3, and one g of x is given, that is x square minus 2. We have to divide px by gx, and we are supposed to keep in mind that the degree of the dividend either can be equals to the degree of the divisor or less than. px की डिग्री यहाँ पे 3 है, gx की डिग्री 2 है, means 3 is less than 2, so we can easily divide. If the degree would have been the same, in that case also we can divide, but if the degree of the quotient polynomial, divisor polynomial is more than the dividend polynomial, then it is not possible to find the answer, that is the quotient in polynomial form. Because one more thing is there important regarding the polynomials, means degree cannot be negative. So here first of all we will see how to divide. So we will divide x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and we have to divide by x square minus 2. So what we will do, first of all we have to compare the degree of first term. So degree as well as the remaining parts, means the coefficient, the negative sign, all the things we are supposed to consider in our mind. So coefficient here is 1, here is also 1, and it is also positive, this is also positive, and the difference is only in the degrees. So how many difference is there? 1. So we will multiply by only x, and we will multiply both the terms of the divisor. X into x square becomes x cube, x into minus 2 becomes minus 2x. So sorry, here this is given minus 1, so this is minus 1. So x into minus 1, that becomes minus x. So we will write the like terms in a column. x cube वाली terms एक साथ, x वाली term एक साथ, x square वाली terms एक साथ. Because we are not getting the x square term, so we will leave the blank space downwards the x square. So afterwards what we used to do in the arithmetic, we are supposed to subtract. Here if we are supposed to subtract, then we are supposed to change the sign. This is positive, so this will become negative, this is negative, it will become positive. Plus x cube will cancel out minus x cube, and the remaining terms we are supposed to write down here. So this we will write down downwards along with the sign minus 3x square. This will become plus 5x plus x, means plus 6x, and it will come downwards as the same. Again we will now compare the first term. So here the coefficient is negative and the coefficient is 3, and the remaining terms are same. So now we can multiply again by the term, that is minus 3, both these terms. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, then minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So we will write down the constant term below the constant term, and x square term below the x square term. We are not getting any term of x, so we are leaving the space here. So again we will subtract, we will change the sign before subtraction. Here 3x square will cancel out minus 3x square, and this will be remaining. Here minus 3 and minus 3 becomes minus 6. So here now we got minus 6x minus 6. So if we compare the first term, the degree is less than the divisor, so we cannot divide further. So now one thing we have concluded, that the remainder is there. If the remainder is there, so we can say that x square minus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. अगर हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है means this is not the gx is not the factor of px. If we get the remainder 0, then we can say that gx is the factor of px. At the same time, we can verify our answer. So in your previous classes and the lower classes, you have already read that dividend is equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What is your quotient? Quotient is x minus 3. And what is your divisor? Divisor is x square minus 1. And what is the remainder? Remainder is here. This one is the remainder. This one is the quotient. This one is the divisor. And this one is the dividend. So by multiplying these two and adding the remainder, we should get the dividend. So the remainder is 6x minus 6. So we will first of all verify. So first of all we will multiply by x, this whole bracket, x into x square, that is x cube, x into minus 1 minus x, minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3, then plus 6x plus minus 6. Now we will add the like terms. If their like terms are there, x cube is there only, then x square minus 3x square, then x is there, minus x plus 6x, so answer will be plus 5x, minus 6 plus 3, that will become minus 3. So we can say, we can see here that x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. We got the dividend when we multiply the quotient by the divisor and we added the remainder to the result. So this verifies that our division is right. At the same time, we also concluded that the remainder is not 0. If the remainder is not 0, then we can say that gx is not the factor of px. If we have got the remainder 0, then we can say that gx is the factor of px. So I hope that you have understood this method of long division in polynomial, and it is also helping in finding whether the given polynomial is a factor of the other given polynomial px or not. At the same time, I advise you that you are supposed to go through all the questions of the exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2, and as well as exercise 1.3. And if you are facing any problem, then you can message us or you can call us. We will try to rectify your problems. In exercise 1.1, there only the graph questions are there, in which the polynomial is given y is equals to px and some polynomial is given, then the graphs are given. If graph touches or cuts the x-axis, then we can say the zeros will be there. Or if it is not touching or cutting or intersecting the x-axis, then zeros will not be there. How many times it is cutting the x-axis, that many times that many zeros will be there. If it is if the graph is like that, this is the x-axis 0 and this is the y-axis. If the graph is like this, so how many points it is intersecting the x-axis? Means 1, 2, 3. 0 will be number of zeros. Number of zeros will be 3. And if the graph is like that, x-axis and y-axis, so and if the graph is like this or like this, so it is not touching or intersecting the x-axis, so we will say there is a number of zeros will be 0. And if it is cutting at any number of points, then we can calculate or we can count those points, and that many zeros will be there of that given polynomial. I hope that you have understood the chapter. If any problems are there, then you can contact us. We have also learned how to find the zeros of the polynomial and how to verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. and the remaining question I will observe, I will go through, I will see the questions given in your book. If any of the questions are remaining, then we will discuss in the next video, and that video will be on there on Monday, because tomorrow there is Saturday and next there is Sunday, and according to the guidelines of CBSE and the Supreme Court, we are not supposed to conduct the ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फॉर मोर देन 5 days पर वीक. हम 5 days ही कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम मंडे टू फ्राइडे. तो टुमारो एंड आफ्टर टुमारो देर विल बी नो ऑनलाइन classes. That is a time for you for practice and to get the perfection while attempting the questions. At the same time, if any problem is there, again I am reminding you, you can message us or you can call us and we will try to rectify your problems. Thank you very much.